Charity is a beautiful act, the one that makes us believe in a peaceful and gentle world. It's a free meal for struggling workers, a small gift for elder people, or just a box of food to have family in need during tough times. But behind the heartwarming stories, kindness is being stolen. Well, we are losing the true essence of charity because of those who are exploited for profit. I once saw a mother cry for help, but just sadly found out later that the money donated for child treatment was used for luxury items and experiences. Fake philanthropists, disguised as kind-hearted souls, have made billions by turning generosity into a way to get rich. They exaggerate donation amount, turning a small money into millions, and use trust to deceive. They even using their reputation, their fame, to dishonestly collecting money from the people who support them. But the worst part is not just the loss of money, it's the corruption of community trust, the erosion of unity, and the transformation of compassion into a bitter doubt. News of charity of scams has made people skeptical, afraid for any call for help. Well, people turn away, indifferent to those in need, thinking that, well, someone else might do it. And this unresponsiveness creeps into every corner, weighing down compassion and pushing society into a chilling coldness. Will there come a day when children desire to learn, elders waiting for warmth, but are left without help because of the fear of being scammed? Well, this is not just the fault of exploiter anymore. It's also because of the indifference of each individual. Charity is a voluntary act of providing help, often financial to those in need. However, the essence of kindness is not just in giving, but in the intention and in the action behind it. True kindness has to stem from a desire to uplift others, not for obligation or recognition. It's the mindset, the one that seeks for meaningful impact rather than fleeting generosity. In order to truly break the old norm of charity, don't just donate and walk away. Speak up, stand up, and contribute to real change to the world. If you see someone else exploit kindness, don't just stay silent. Speak up and warn others. If you can spare time each year to volunteer, go to struggling area, help build home, repair road, or teach children how to read. Or if you don't have much time, just doing small things like buy a meal for a street cleaner, or just give a coat to a homeless person, or just doing small things like helping people within your own community. Breaking the norm doesn't have to be something grand. It's just doing the things that the few noticed. In April 2024, I had a chance to volunteer in Dong Nai, and that day, with a group of students, I stood in front of the class teaching about traffic. Before me were young faces, wide eyes, curious, and learning from every word and gesture in that class. There were a lot of moments that I will never forget. A child tilting their head, just quietly repeating what I had just said. Another raising their hand, asking really silly but sweet and innocent question and make the whole class laugh. Small hands slightly holding gift, eyes sparkling as if they had just received a treasure. There was a moment that a kid held one of my friend's hand and asked, "Will you come back tomorrow?" That simple question, but I realized that what I need is not just gift, but presence. And more than that, what we also receive is a priceless lesson about kindness. There is a Chinese proverb that says, if you want happiness for an hour, take a nap. If you want happiness for a day, go fishing. If you want happiness for a year, inherit a fortune. But if you want happiness for a lifetime, help someone else. So, will you stay silent, or will you be the one to light the candle of trust? I have made my choice. What about you? Thank you for listening. My name is Nguyen, and I'm a student at University of Economics and Law. Thank you.